Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Map account. To save places, leave reviews, upload photos or create custom maps, you'll need a Google account. This automatically gives you access to all Google Maps features. Now in today's tutorial, I'm gonna give you the steps to create a Google Maps account. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to go to accounts.google.com. Go to accounts.google.com. Google here and click on the Google account, sign in. As you can see, I'm already signed in. Just choose the option to sign in or sign in. Now once you choose the option for sign in, go to account.google.com and then click on create an account. See here, let's go create account. Let's search for the option to create an account here. Yeah, let's see here. This is the sports here. You're gonna just see this one right here. Let's click on add. Here, the second step is to fill in the required information. Now, once you click on create an account, there will be a menu that requests you to fill in the required information. You can add your name, username, password, and recovery infos. So follow the prompts and verify your identity. And as for the third step is to sign in to Google Maps. And you can do that by going to maps.google.com. And now you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner. As you can see, Google Maps automatically uses your Google accounts to log in. Like you see here, it's automatic, so you don't have to log in maps.google.com separately. And for the fourth step, start using Google Maps features like save icon, locations, write reviews, add photos, and create custom maps. Creating a Google Maps account unlocks the full potential of the platform, from personalized navigation to a sharing travel experience. It's a quick, free, and enhanced how you explore the world. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.